AI and AI revolution. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon in this episode. So, alam naman po natin na we are already at the onset of the AI era or AI revolution. So, hindi na bago na lots of companies are already considering replacing their employees, especially those that are in the rank and files, with automation, bots, and AI. Just want to share with you my personal experience. I used to work full-time as a data analyst. I cater companies like business process outsourcing companies, and I used to work also as a real-time analyst. So one of the roles that I do is I create reports, and I'm the one pulling up all the data and create reports to forward it to my bosses so that if they will have meetings and they have plannings in the future, so they will base some of their decisions on the data that I'm providing them. Okay, so that's one of the major roles that I do in my job. Meron pumunta sa office namin and then nag-present siya ng isang software in which yung job description ko ay nandun na mismo. Okay, naka-automate na lahat. So hindi na nila kailangan na kumuha pa ng isang data analyst in the future because the bosses can already look for the data that he wanted just by typing, just by asking the bot or the software, and it will provide. And the good thing about it is that, of course, kapag once na tao ang gumagawa ng report, there are errors, right? But then, pag once na software na ang gumawa with all the raw data in there intact, mas mataas yung accuracy ng report. So, doon ako nag-isip actually, and good thing that I already have myself exposed or I already have developed my skills in trading because this kind of skills is really a buffer kung ano man yung mangyari sa'yo on your employment. Kung ikaw ngayon ay nasa level ka or nasa rank and file ka and you really think na epektuhan ng AI revolution, then I think you need to consider a buffer. It might not be trading but some kind of skill na mahirap i-replace ng artificial intelligence. Ngayon, actually, nag-resign ako sa work ko and then I'm now a full-time trader and I have also my other businesses offline. Narinig ko mga reliable source na yun nga, nag-automate na talaga sila. So, they created a system and then I don't know what happened to those who replaced me on that role, but I really doubt if there is really there's still really a bright future of being a data analyst. Right now, while you are still working, while you are still enjoying your job, you need to spend time to learn this skill, okay? Learning how to trade. And actually, it's not really that difficult to learn. Especially kung mayroon kang mentor na mag-guide sa'yo ng step-by-step ng mga basics up to the advanced. Actually, kung tututukan mo talaga siya, you're able to spend the whole year to just learn the concept and learn how to trade properly. Especially pag baguhan ka, Kasi mas mabilis kasi mag-absorb yung mga baguhan, So the good thing about this is that one of the things that I provide here in this channel are the modules of the basics of trading. So if you can check my video, I posted it in the comment section. There are modules that I posted there na gagawin mo lang siya, papanoorin mo lang siya step by step from module 1 up to module 9. Sundan mo lang siya. And if you have any questions, please connect with me. One of the best reason bakit maganda ang trading as your side hustle right now habang nagtatrabaho ka pa. And if you soon want to quit from your job and focus on business, is that trading is a great avenue for you to really grow your money. And not only that, hindi kasi siya kumakain ng maraming oras sa'yo. So, actually, yun yung nagustuhan ko talaga sa trading. Before kasi, I tried having a side hustle that involves selling. Okay? So, selling is good. Okay? But the problem is, Kapag once na ginawa mo yun, ang daming kakainin ng oras. Kailangan mo talaga siyang tutukan. Now, unlike trading, sa trading kasi, you don't have to spend more than an hour in front of your trading platform or chart para mag-trade. Okay? In fact, sa ginagawa ko ngayon, I only spend, maximum na yun, maximum up to 30 minutes in a day para i-check kung nandyan ba yung trade setup ko. Okay? So pag sinabi natin trade setup, yun yung mga setups na hinahanap ko sa chart because yun yung mga profitable setup na swak doon sa aking system of long-term and short-term profitability. So nandun yung system kasi na ano yung step-by-step na hinahanap ko para mataas yung chance that the trade will turn out to be a winning trade. If you want to avail the advanced module, okay, just reach out to me and I will guide you kung paano. Ito kasimple, madali kasi siyang gawin because I know na napakahirap talaga yung galing kasi trabaho, pagod ka na. Especially sa night shift. Okay, worn out ka na and then you still have to do something, you still have to do a side hustle na magbibenta ka pa, live selling, customer service, inventory, and all. So, napaka-tedious. But with trading, an hour of your time to learn about it, and we have a community that you can ask questions, and you can find a demo trading first. So, demo, which means you're trading using a dummy account. Okay, hindi pa siya live money account. So, we hope sooner I can help you to transition. Kasi right now, ang dami na talaga, ang dami ng mga advancement at pagbabago, especially with the advent of artificial intelligence. Thank you for your support. This is Dale of DK Capital. So you may also follow me on Facebook. The link is on the description. And thank you for following and subscribing to my channel.